On a farm, a champion racehorse was loved by everyone. Strong, fast, admired it, was the pride of its owner. In the same farm lived a pig ordinary, unnoticed, but deeply admiring the horse, not for its speed, but for its spirit. Despite being so different, they became unlikely friends. One day during training, the horse collapsed. The vet said, "If it doesn't get up by sunrise, we'll have to put it down." That night, the pig rushed to its friend, crying, "Please don't give up. You're stronger than this. Fight for your life." Hour after hour, the pig begged. And at dawn, the horse rose to its feet, saved by the pig's love and encouragement. The farm celebrated the horse was a hero again. But soon after winning another big race, the owner shouted, "Let's celebrate, kill the pig for a feast." The pig begged for mercy, but the horse stayed silent, proud of its medal. Heartbroken, the pig escaped into the forest. The owner, furious, chased it on the horse. But the horse stumbled, breaking its leg. As the owner aimed his rifle, the pig returned and bravely knocked him down, saving the horse once again. Shaken and ashamed, the horse whispered, "I abandoned you, yet you still saved me." "Why?" the pig replied, "Because true friendship forgives. I chose to be better, even when you weren't." With tears, the horse asked forgiveness. The pig smiled. "I already have. Now, you must forgive yourself." With that, the pig walked into the forest, leaving behind one final lesson. True strength isn't in winning races, but in loving, forgiving, and standing by others even when they fail you.